How to rotate a page in Adobe Acrobat. Let's look at rotating a page in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. It's pretty straightforward. First thing, obviously, have your PDF open in Adobe Acrobat? Got that? Great. Now we need to file the tools which we call organize pages. For that, simply tap on this edit right over here. There you can see an option for organize pages. Tap on it. And this is a pro feature. I may not be able to show you the rest process. However, if you tap on this one, you will see an option called delete, rotate, extract, insert, or reorder the pages. Here you can see an option for rotate. Simply tap on it and you can just rotate it down too. As I'm using a free version, I'll be explaining you the process that you can use in order to rotate your page in Adobe Acrobat. The simple thing is you can just tap on this one, rotate page right, and just rotate it right until you get your PDF right. However, if you tap on this organize pages, I will guide you what you can do. After you tap on organize pages, this opens up a new view showing thumbnails of your pages. See the rotate icons above the page. So one goes clockwise and the another anti-clockwise. You can select the specific pages you want to rotate, or if you want to rotate all of them, there's actually an option to select all the pages. Just click on the rotate icon in the direction you need for the selected pages. Click it once for the 90 degrees, twice for 180, and so on. Did you see the page turn? Good work. Once you have got the pages oriented correctly, just remember to save your PDF. And that's it. Yeah, successfully rotate your pages in Adobe Acrobat. Easy peasy, right? And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.